What's good, internet friends? Welcome to another vlog, another art vlog. It's been a while since the last one, but I wanted to record a time-lapse vlog video of myself and my wife setting up and installing the artwork for my solo art exhibition, Onion City Memories. For those who didn't know, I recently showcased a new collection of work at the Bridgeport Art Center here in Chicago. I had been working on this show for about a year or so, but honestly I've been developing this idea and vision for it for almost 10 years. So for the people who didn't get to see it, those of you who don't live in Chicago, who would have missed both the opening night and the closing night of the show, I thought I would give you all a peek at the setup of the exhibit as well as the final layout and walkthrough of the exhibit. And hey, if you were able to check out the exhibit in person and you want to experience it again, this video is for you too. The Onion City Memories show brings people into this world of Onion City where all of my original characters, concepts, and creations exist. This show is intended to be an elevated creative experience, bringing narrative-driven fine art and comic book illustration together to engage attendees and hopefully leave you all with a lasting curiosity about what will come next. With that said, I hope you enjoy this installation time-lapse, and I can't wait to see you all at the next showcase. By the way, the Onion City Memories art book is coming very soon, March 1st, 2024 to be exact.